Hey guys, so this will be my analysis on the XY. What are we seeing on the XY? So we're gonna do a top-down analysis on the XY. So this will be the weekly time frame. We can see an uptrend on the SY overall. So yeah, I'm gonna drop my fib from the first point to the other point. Mm. So we can see based on our current price action on the weekly time frame, we have that impulsive move, correction, and a continuation, right? And we can see that we are currently around my negative 27% fib level, right? Which I think also touched this other block right here. Let's draw and see. I think it touched this other block right here. Oh no, I didn't get to it. But just like I've always mentioned previously, that my negative 27% fib level is a reversal level, so I knew there was a possibility of it actually dropping when we get there, right? But there might still be more push to the upside because, like I said, we didn't touch the other block. Let me put a line here. This is the weekly other block right here, like an imbalance as well that needs to be mitigated. That hasn't been touched yet, so there's still that possibility of it pushing up. But definitely, I was expecting that downtrend because of my 27 TP level right here. So now what am I seeing right now is we're just gonna draw price action just like I like to do. Just simplify the market, right? So we can see that we broke the previous high. That's the first break of structure we have. Then we also have more break of structure, which is this. So let's go to more smaller time frame to see more break of structure that was broken. So we're just gonna draw another one. So let's see. We have this break of structure right here. Then we also have some mini ones here. Then that's the last one we had around the negative 27% level. So now go to more smaller time frame and just refined what I had previously. I'm just gonna read the price action, right? So now you kind of see that we are pushing to the downside very hard. So this is the first one. It's not that clear. This was like the first breakout structure we have, but it wasn't that clear. So let's use this right here as a like a solid breakout structure. So let's see, we have this right here that we should be mindful of. So we had a break, so it broke this previously right here. We can see that it came to this area right here, right, and it pushed up a little bit, then we dropped down by kind of getting on this other block right here, right? So that just shows that there's still a possibility of more drops. So for me to be convinced that we're still gonna sell, I want like a change of structure, right? So we have mini minor breakup structures as well, like an internal breakup structure. So we can see this one right here is an internal breakup structure. Let me change that. Okay. So let's see this as well. There's also an internal change of structure. Mm, let's just see the internal breakup structure. Yeah, because I still think we might push more to the downside because we broke structure. There's a possibility. So let's just redefine this one. This is the last break of structure I think we might get to. That is crucial, right? Let's see smaller time frame. I just want to refine that from smaller time frame. Let's see my 1 hour time frame. I don't think. I'll find that much though. So okay. Yeah, I want to quickly see for our time frame. So I want to use my Fib and just kind of like calculate and sort of estimate to see point it to be. You can see that we're currently around the 61.8% for the level, so there's the possibility of it pushing higher. So this might just be like liquidity, to be honest, for it to push more to the upside. So if it comes down here to reject and I see a change of character, then I'll probably write it to the upside. But like I said, you need to be patient because this might become a liquidity. So this might also become like liquidity, right? Let's see if I can refine this. Okay, this can be refined to this. And like this. Mm, so, like I said, mm, let's so there is a possibility, right, that it might stick from here, come to this area right here, come here, right? Let's see the way it reacts around this area. So if I see some sort of like a change of character around this area right here, then I'll probably have my entry here. I'll probably push it to probably around this area right here. Will be my first TP because of this imbalance right here. There's a higher chance of it getting to that level, but we have to be patient to see how the markets will play out around that area. Let's see smaller time frame. Definitely seeing. I know we have so this can push up and this can push down, to be honest. Based on what I'm seeing, we still have like a mini, we continue to have breaker structures, right? Internal breaker structures right here. Right, this is also a tiny one, but it broke it because you can see if I go to a more smaller time frame, like the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, it's not that good though, so I think I'm just gonna take it out. Let's see my 15-minute time frame. So we have the main break of structure here. That's the main one. If I use my from the 15-minute time frame, You can kind of see it that there is this candlestick that closed below it, right? This particular one close a little bit below it, so it makes it valid. So I definitely still think we push more to the downside. And like I said, it hasn't changed any character yet. So definitely right now to the downside until otherwise, because we continue to have that breaker structure. This one is like a mini breaker structure right here. You can see that this other block right here was mitigated to push to the downside. So I think it might probably be coming to this area right here to continue to push to the downside. So if I use a mini fib right here, point here, right here to point B around this area solid. Let's see from here to here. I think that will be okay. I think I'm just gonna do from here to here. Yeah, so as long as we don't break, because let me just do one more. I have this long one. Let's see, this one right here is also valid. We have that. So I genuinely think we might come here, right? Then just at least manage it 27% fib level around that area to push to the upside. But if it's gonna be buy, the one is we'll be waiting for this particular one to break. When it breaks, then I'll probably ride it to this first TP right here. So that's how you be patient to the market and see what the market will give. Yeah, so those are my two scenarios. If we break the structure right here, so I'm just going to draw my scenarios. My first scenario is down because it's still downtrend. It's giving the lower high move. Then my TP would negatively run negative 67%, 27% to be my TP area. Then if it gets there, how the price action reacts around that area will now determine my overall move, right? And like I also mentioned, there's a possibility of it to continue to push the upside, but we want it to break that structure, this one right here, come down to retest to confirm, then we're gonna ride it to that area right here would be our buy TP. For the first TP, right, for buy, then and I think it's probably still gonna continue to push upper, right? As long as it continues to break, then based on how the market reacts around this area, if it breaks that area, then this particular area should be like our next TP. I'm just gonna put it here, right? So that should be like our next TP. But like I said, we have to wait for the market to open. Then when the market open, that will determine our next move. If you have break of structure, you're gonna buy. If you respect this other block, then you're gonna sell. So this is my quick analysis on the XY, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.